let's see this question, and the question says that which of the following statement is true for IO2 F2 minus. तो आपको कुछ statements given is question में, and you have to tell कि which of the statement is correct. So the key concept that is based on this question is the hybridization. And for hybridization, you have to calculate the steric number, which is equal to the number of sigma bonds plus lone pairs. So on the basis of this concept, let's do our question. So we have been provided with this ion, and for this we have to calculate the steric number first of all. Number of sigma bonds will be 4 and 1 lone pair. That is 5. So hybridization for 5 steric number is sp3d. Further, we will write the geometry and shape for this molecule. Geometry will be TBP and shape will be seesaw. Let's draw the structure for this ion. So it will be more electronegative atom will come at axial positions, then oxygen here, or a lone pair. So this is the seesaw shape. So the first statement, the electrons are located at the corners of the trigonal bipyramidal, but one of the equatorial pairs is unshared. Yes, this statement is right. Let's move further. It has sp3d hybridization and it is T-shaped. Hybridization is sp3d, but it is not T-shaped. It is actually seesaw shaped. Then it is been given that its structure is analogous to SF4. Analogous means similar to. Yes, absolutely right. क्योंकि SF4 का structure भी same ही होता है. SF4 and 1 lone pair. Again, it is seesaw shaped. And geometry is TBP. So therefore, answer D is a correct answer.